Jai Srimanarayana. Fourth sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kadham bhishmam aham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhi pratiyotsyami पूजार्हौ हरिसूदन Om. Even if there are people who are worthy of deepest reverence, but if they are working on adharma side, do not stop your fight against them. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message to everyone, saying that, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall not stop my fight against adharma, even if there are people who are worthy of deepest reverence are involved in adharma. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma, who came down as Vamana, became Trivikrama, and now again he withdrew his Trivikrama form and became Vamana. Bali Chakravarti's army has seen Vamana and started thinking like this. Mahim sarvam hrutam drishtva tripadavyajayaachnaya. In the excuse of asking 3 feet of land from Bali Chakravarti, this Vamana came down and cheated our king. And then immediately all that army saying to Bali Chakravarti like this, Ho Raja, Navayam Brahmabandhuhu Vishnuhu Mayavinam Naraha. This Vamana is not a Brahmana. This Vamana is Sri Mahavishnu. He is cheating you. Because you are in this Yajna Diksha, you are unable to do anything. But we cannot wait and we cannot endure this injustice. So that is why we will definitely kill this Vamana. That is what our dharmam, that is what our duty. Like that, with so much of anger, all that army at once to kill Vamana, jumped and ran towards Vamana. And while doing that, while happening all that, Vamana's Parivaram, Vishnu Parshadas, they saw that and they laughed at them and immediately started killing all that army of Bali Chakravarti. Vishnu Parshadas, Nandaha, Sunandaha, Vijayaha, Prabalaha, Balaha, Kumudakshacha, Vishvaksenaha, Patatrirat. Nanda, Sunanda, Jaya Vijaya, Balaprabala, Kumudaksha, Vishvaksena, Garutman. All these Vishnu Parshadas, each one of them have the strength equal to 1,000 elephants. Such Vishnu Parshadas started killing Bali Chakravarti's army. Bali Chakravarti has seen all that and immediately remembered the curse of his own Guru Sukracharya. And realizing that, he started saying to his army, do not fight anymore. Come on, stop fighting, go back. Like that, Bali Chakravarti ordering his army. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 4th sloka. Kadam bhishmamaham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhi pratiyotsyami pujarhau arisudana. Kadam bhishmamaham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhi pratiyotsyami pujarhau arisudana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.